Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Apple Pay card reader. These innovative devices empower businesses to accept secure and convenient contactless payments from customers using their Apple devices. Understanding the fundamental steps for setup and transaction processing is key to enhancing your customer experience and streamlining your operations. We'll go over everything you need to know to get started with confidence and ease. Setting up your Apple Pay card reader is straightforward. First, ensure your reader is fully charged or connected to a power source. Next, you'll need to pair it with your compatible iOS device, typically through Bluetooth settings or a direct connection. Once connected, open your preferred point-of-sale application and confirm that the reader is recognized and ready to accept payments. This initial setup ensures a smooth start to your contactless transactions. Processing a payment with Apple Pay is incredibly simple for both you and your customer. Begin by entering the total transaction amount into your point-of-sale system. Then, politely instruct your customer to hold their Apple device, such as an iPhone or Apple Watch, near the card reader. The transaction will process quickly, and you'll see a confirmation on both the customer's device and your reader, indicating a successful payment. It's that easy. To ensure seamless Apple Pay transactions, here are a few helpful tips. Always keep your card reader's software updated to benefit from the latest features and security enhancements. A stable internet connection for your connected device is also crucial for reliable processing. Finally, take a moment to train your staff on these simple steps. This will help them confidently and efficiently accept Apple Pay, providing a consistently excellent experience for all your customers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.